What a run by gold. I mean, what we can say. We had one of the longest, if not at least the longest bearish movement that I can remember. It's not that it's the most violent or the one that dropped more pips in the market in one single session or something, but it's the one that lasted more. It's not very common that gold usually trends negative or bearish for this long. It usually reprices in one or max two sessions. Let's say it will be in this session that it dropped the 27k points or the 270 pips. So in this situation we were overall bearish, micro and macro, but so far, I mean, the structure is very clear. We came from a very long trend end of the 2022 cycle and beginning of 2023. We had a very decent, kind of the same amount of pips of bullish trend, and after that we had a repricing that gave more than 50% of the move, so we can go ahead and be bullish again. Remember, this movement started after the FTX, all the debt crisis in USA and Europe, all the drama regarding especially the debt and the bank crisis, when Silicon Valley and all of those minor banks were, well, minor for the system, right? For us, they are like very big boys. So gold broke the all-time high here in March. This broker only shows the 260 around. I really don't recall which one is, because for me the real all-time high is here at 281. I actually was able to sell gold at 276. I am actually one of the only traders, if not the only trader, that was able to sell these at these prices. First of all, because it was a rollover. It was 4 p.m. on my side. It will be when market is closed for everyone at their own time zone. So this rollover was very nasty. So after that, that was the last real bullish trend or bullish momentum we had. After that, we really only had repricing. Gold was very overvalued after all the money printing and all the issues with USA, so it was only natural that as soon as the price started to, well, the dollar started to recover or at least stop raising the rates, it will be natural for the price to start rebalancing. In this case, we can see we're having very long-term trends rebalancing price, but this one was very important, let's say, because we regained back the 1880-ish, because we almost broke the 80s, let's say, and we were very close to actually going to that was the last no point of return, we can say. But the major point I can recall will be around this area. Let me mark it for you. It will be this area between 1735 and 1704 will be the area. Let's don't round the numbers. Why this area? Because 2022 was the last point we had, so there's a lot of liquidity trap in this zone, and as we can see, we had a movement that barely touched the pivot retracement, our last important level. So as we can see, we have a clear bullish structure here that gave retracements. Yeah, gave this one very major retracement, but after that we really had it's what they call a minor trap. Here are traders being trapped. Price might be looking to retrace again and again and again, but every time it retraces, it gives you a higher push, so you're not able to escape. We have a lot of liquidity here trapped, but the first level I want to see will be here. This pivot level needs to be touched, but currently don't let the chart fool you. We are very bullish. Also our guide or our main algo that it's always trading, in this case it's demo because we don't need to risk anything. We are open, well, we are in order number 4. Our first order was at 1864, so we're very bullish at this point. Forget about beers for a second. I know it's Friday, but forget about it. Also, in some brokers, if you remember, we had a gap in Sunday, so this area also needs to be filled at one point. I'm not saying that we are gonna do something like go up and then straight here. We might take a little bit and then fill here, but this level needs to be touched again. Keep it in mind, it's around 1839. It's a very important level, and 1811 will be the one that breaks structure. Actually, you break structure here in 64 for me. But if you want to be more cautious, you can wait for 11 or 10, and then this is a straight fall. We need to recover all of these prices. I mean, it's hard to say it will rebalance to the 16 area after all the money printing, but anything can happen with this market. And as you can see, the value of gold just 2023 has lost at least 12%, 13%. That it's major. It's a lot of, at least for gold. Usually gives you more. If we go to the daily, we can see that we usually have more. This is what I call a range period. We had 2013 to 2018 around of a very rangy market. This is what we are waiting. We're waiting for, I mean, I think that we're currently here. We're waiting for this market. This is the area we are currently trading, so we're expecting a rebalance. I don't think that we're going this low. That's why I think 16 area is very good for price to rebalance and start ranging for years. This will be the golden years, we could say. So this will be it. Just keep your, in this case, your levels. These two levels are very important. To the upside, of course, we need to recover the 2000 area. All these areas, and this, especially this area, have a lot of liquidity trap, a lot of traders. And let's not say all the traders that are trapped in the major area, that is the all-time high. So just keep in touch, check your charts, check your indicators, everything, and be safe.